Hey guys, my name is Rafael, and for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you could turn off your Google responses or Google form responses in just a matter of clicks. So I do have this problem recently, and I just figured it out, and that's the reason why I'm making this video to help you as well. So let's go. All right, first and foremost, you need to go to Google Docs. So there's two ways. Number one, type docs.google.com/forms, or you could also go on your open a browser and you can see this eight dots at the right upper part of your screen. You just need to click that and look for Google Forms. There you go. And this is what you will see. So obviously, as you can see on the screen, there are a lot of forms already created over the years. So for this demonstration, I will just use the first one. All right, so this is the form that I have created. So it's just a simple form. And then you can see here at the top part of the screen, there is question, responses, and settings. So where you need to go is to click this responses right here. All right, so normally there will be a allow responses tab or toggle right here. But at this case, in this case, you cannot see that option shown here in this page. I don't know the problem. There might be some error or whatsoever. So what you need to do is at the upper right part of your screen, look for published. You just need to click that, and there you go. You can see accepting responses. So far, since this form is open, you just need to close that since that's what I wanted. So toggle it off. All right, and you can see there, not accepting responses. Responders will see this message. This form is no longer accepting responses. When you click the link, this is the view that the responder will see since you already turned off your Google form. And also, just to double check, this message right here that says this form isn't accepting responses should be available. And there you go. You have learned how to turn off the responses on your Google Form document. So if you like this video, please like and follow this or subscribe to my channel. And you can also visit me on Facebook. That's VA Rookies PH. And see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.